In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coupon code in Mailchimp. Embracing this simple strategy can greatly enhance your promotional efforts by boosting sales and engaging your audience more effectively. As we get started, remember to have your coupon code ready from your e-commerce platform, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. Generating this code is the crucial first step before turning to Mailchimp to create and share a compelling campaign. Now, once you have your coupon code on hand, let's dive into Mailchimp to integrate it into your email campaign. First, log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the Campaigns tab. This is the hub where all your email campaign activities begin. From here, click on Create Campaign and select the email option. This prompts a straightforward process that starts with choosing the type of email. For our purposes, select regular email and then choose the audience segment you want to reach. This personalizes your message and ensures your coupon reaches the right people. Next, we enter the email builder phase. Here you have the creative flexibility to drag and drop different blocks into your email layout. Decide whether it's a text block, an image block, or a button block where you wish your coupon code to appear. Each block serves a purpose, allowing you to tailor the delivery of your message. Once you've selected your block, go ahead and manually enter the coupon code into the chosen area. Alternatively, you can insert a redeem coupon button, which when clicked will redirect your audience to your store's checkout page with the discount automatically applied. This feature is especially useful because it reduces the steps customers need to take, which often leads to a higher conversion rate. After carefully designing your email, it's time to make sure everything looks perfect before sending it out. Mailchimp offers a preview feature where you can inspect how your email will appear in your subscribers' inboxes. During this check, confirm that your coupon code is visible and functioning correctly. To add another layer of assurance, send a test email to yourself. This step not only gives a final look over, but also allows you to verify any links or buttons. Once you're satisfied with the email's look and functionality, you have two options. You can send it immediately or schedule it for a more strategic time in the future. Timing can be crucial depending on your audience's habits, so make sure to choose what best fits your campaign goals. And there you have it. You've successfully added a coupon code to your Mailchimp campaign, making your promotions much more appealing. This process, as you can see, is not only easy but also effective. Take these insights and start crafting campaigns that not just reach your audience but impact them. Thanks for watching, and happy campaigning.